Do you want control over what energy is used in your home? With the Econo Energiemanager, you get the most out of your generated energy, power groups, you can play with flexible tariffs and avoid costly enlargement to your meter box. The energy management system is added to your meter box. Programmable switching relays allows you to prevent overloading of groups and make the most efficient use of available energy. You can program when certain power groups are turned on and define on what conditions. Imagine the following situation. You come home from a day of work. The heating comes on, cooking takes place on the induction hob, hot water is needed, and ideally, the electric car is charged. There is a good chance that more power is required than the fuse box can handle. To prevent the groups from blowing out or you having to upgrade your mains connection to a costly 3x35 ampere, the Econo Energiemanager is the solution. What the Econo Smart Meter Box can do is turn off appliances at busy times. For example, turning off the electric water heater creates 3.6 kWh of space. In addition, during the day, the energy management system has already ensured that the house and the water heater are already warmed up using available solar power. As a result, more power is available at peak times, such as during cooking. This makes it more easy to electrify your home. Smart charging of the battery. When a lot of power is generated, the smart meter box can send this energy to the battery or electric car. Based on your criteria, the battery charges under the most favorable conditions. Solar heat battery. With the built-in PV boiler module, at times when there is solar energy surplus and the financial return rate is very low, the energy can be stored in the boiler as hot water. The module measures the specific surplus and uses it to convert the electricity to hot water that you can use later when the sun is no longer shining. Smart switching with a timer. It is possible to power a device, charge group, for a few hours with the timer function. The timer supplies power to the devices connected to it according to the set time period. In this way, it is possible to choose to heat the water heater just before a shower will be taken. Or it is possible to control the electric heater, thus creating a basic temperature in the living room or bathroom at set times. Cheap energy detection. This option is very useful if you have a dynamic energy contract. The system automatically detects when electricity is cheapest and will turn on groups based on your criteria. This allows you to power boilers, the heat pump, heating groups, or the electric car with cheap electricity. The Energy Manager allows you to place more solar panels on an inverter. This way, you have more generation during the winter period, and you prevent the power group from becoming overloaded and failing. There is also an option to prevent solar power from being supplied back to the power grid. The Smart Meter Box is a versatile energy management system where you can not only control power consumption, but also actively reduce the required power connection with your grid operator. The Smart Meter Box cooperates with charging stations. The electric battery detects generated solar power, responds to flexible power contracts, and cheap power. It controls power groups and turns them off when necessary. With the Econo Smart Meter Box, you keep control of your energy consumption.